Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This is a mini lesson on how to use aucun, which of course makes aucune in the feminine. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. Aucun has several meanings which are very, very close to each other. And it means no, not any, not even one, not whatever. For instance, il n'a aucune qualification. He's got no qualifications. Basically, you could have said il n'a pas de qualification. That would have been more neutral. He doesn't have any qualifications. But when you say aucune, you're actually implying he's not even got one. So it's a bit stronger. And in English, you can say either he's got no qualifications or he hasn't got any qualifications. Aucun enfant ne pourrait faire ça. Aucun enfant ne pourrait faire ça. You see how you link the N of aucun with enfant, but it remains masculine. Aucun enfant. No child could do this. Il n'y a aucun risque. Il n'y a aucun risque. There are no risks whatsoever. Now, the other way to use aucun and aucune is none of. As in, aucune de mes amies n'est allée en Grèce. None of my female friends has ever been to Greece. Aucun d'entre eux ne connaît la réponse. Aucun d'entre eux ne connaît la réponse. None of them know the answer. So here, none of is aucun de or aucune de. Next, I want to give you 3 useful expressions with aucun or aucune. The first one, sans aucun doute. Sans aucun doute. Without any doubt. Then we've got the very useful aucune idée. No idea. And then sans aucune hésitation. Sans aucune hésitation. Without hesitation. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!